Hi, my name is Darius Carter. I'm an assistant professor in the Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering department, and today we're on a field trip with the North Carolina State Highway Patrol. I teach the VSTOL Aerodynamics class in the Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering department, and we have about 35 students here.
One slide to the right. So, had a picture of you, Paul.
Hello, I'm Bailey Talent. I am in aerospace engineering and I'm a senior at NC State. What surprised me the most was how much the pilot actually has to do to make the helicopter fly and maneuver. It was nice to see it like practically too, because most times in class they just like diagrams and stuff, but to see it on a real helicopter, that was really interesting. So.
My name is John Gillespie. I am in about 3 semesters into grad school in aerospace engineering. Definitely the most cool thing was the maneuvers he was doing. I wasn't expecting to be, I thought it was just going to be like pick it up, set it down. And I do a lot of hands-on research by myself, but Dr. Carter is always there if I ever need any support or anything like that, and he's got an immense amount of knowledge. Dr. Carter was brand new here at the university. Started doing some research and he had a couple ideas, and we've been working together for a year and a half now. But it's been an absolute blast, for sure.
During this class, you learn the fundamentals of how helicopters fly, and we had this opportunity to partner with the Highway State Patrol, where we had pilots teach us about how the airplane flies and the control system, and then we got a flying demonstration. So it was an awesome opportunity to see what they learned in the classroom and see it operate in real life. Go Pack!